Hello and welcome. I am Ria Puntir, a health consultant at Vedas Care. Today we're going to talk about stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcers are also known as gastric ulcers that are painful sores in the stomach lining. Stomach ulcers are a type of peptic ulcer disease, that is, any peptic ulcer that affects both the stomach and small intestines. A dull or burning pain in your stomach is the most common symptom of peptic ulcer. You may feel the pain anywhere between your belly button and breastbone. The pain most often happens when your stomach is empty, such as between meals or during the night. Stomach ulcers may be easily cured, but they can become severe without proper treatment. To overcome the ulcer problem, Vedas Cure has come up with the unique medicine, that is Ulcer-Ativ Colitis Care. This Ulcer-Ativ Kolitis Care contains herbs like gulab, pushpa, mulethi, belgeri, punarnavamul, etc. Herbs like these helps the property that make them useful as blood purifiers. The anti-inflammatory and aphrodisiac actions of these herbs are effective in treating many ailments such as intestinal ulcers, diarrhea, and many others. Ulcer-Ativ Colitis Care should be taken twice a day after a meal with lukewarm water. So if you're suffering from ulcer, then don't wait. Call us now on the given number and get a free consultation from us.